use of the English can be mind-blowing. Let's explore 5 facts that will blow your mind. Number 5, the definite article is used before superlatives when we say the fastest. We're referring to a specific, unmatched speed. Number 4, the is used with unique nouns. We say the sun because there's only one sun in our solar system. Number 3, the appears before ordinal numbers, the first, the second. These indicate a specific order. Number 2, the is used with certain geographical features. We say the Amazon, but not the France. Number 1, the can change meaning. Man refers to all humans, while the man specifies a particular individual. Understanding the use of the can transform. Your English. It's a small word with big impact, shaping how we perceive and communicate about the world around us.